A morning skincare routine prepares your skin for the day by removing dirt and oils accumulated during sleep. Step 1. Cleanser. Washing your face removes excess oil and dirt that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Step 2. Toner. Depending on their ingredients, toners can help hydrate the skin or remove leftover oil and dirt. Step 3. Spot treatments or acne treatments. If you're trying to control acne breakouts, apply a spot or all-over acne treatment after cleansing or toning. Step 4. Eye creams are optional but can add moisture and hydration to your under-eye skin. Step 5. Moisturizer. Massaging a moisturizer into your face and neck keeps your skin protected and hydrated all day. Step 6. Sunscreen. Your last morning skincare step should always be sunscreen to protect your skin from UV rays.